In this video, we're tackling the E1 paper size error on your HP Deskjet printer. Whether you've got a Deskjet 2700 series, 3700 series, or a different model within the range, we'll cover multiple solutions to get you back to printing without hassle. First, let's delve into what this E1 error means and why it's happening before we jump into our step-by-step fixes. First, make sure the paper loaded in the tray matches the size settings configured in the printer's menu. This is a common reason for error E1. Check the paper orientation in the tray. Sometimes the paper might be misaligned, causing a mismatch with the expected size settings. Ensure that the paper guides in the tray are flush against the paper. Loose guides can lead to misreading of paper size. Try selecting a different paper size from your computer's printer settings, especially if the default option doesn't match what's loaded. Inspect the paper for wrinkles or damages, as these can affect proper feeding and size detection. Restart the printer and your computer to reset any temporary settings that might be causing the paper size error. If the issue persists, reset the printer to its default factory settings. This can often resolve any lingering configuration issues. If the E1 error persists despite trying all the suggested fixes, it might be time to check on the paper you're using, or ensure that the printer's settings align with your needs. Consider replacing the paper with a different brand or size compatible with your printer. Additionally, upgrading to a more recent model might solve persistent issues. Check out our recommended replacement parts and printer models in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.